Stop scrolling. Stand up. Look in the mirror. You are currently 2 inches shorter than you are supposed to be. Why? Because gravity is crushing you. Doctors told you that your growth stopped at 18. They lied. Your bones didn't shrink, your spine collapsed. Give me 10 minutes and I will show you how to reverse gravity, unfold your spine, and unlock the height that belongs to you. Watch closely. The invisible enemy. Right now, as you watch this video, there is a force crushing you. It is invisible, it is relentless, and it has been pressing down on your skull from the moment you took your first step. Gravity. You believe that your height is genetic destiny, that at age 18, your skeletal blueprint was locked in stone. You are wrong. The truth is, you are currently walking around 2 inches shorter than your biological potential. Not because your bones stopped growing, but because your architecture has collapsed. Think of your spine like a hydraulic system. Inside every vertebrae, there is a gel-like substance called the nucleus pulposus. It acts as a shock absorber. Every single day, gravity squeezes the fluid out of this gel, flattening the discs like a deflated tire. By the time you go to bed, you are physically shorter than when you woke up. Bad posture accelerates this process, folding you like a crumpled ruler. You haven't lost the bone, you have lost the space. But what if I told you that you could reverse gravity, that you could refill the hydraulic system and unfold the ruler? In the next 10 minutes, we are not just going to fix your posture, we are going to unlock the hidden inches that have been stolen from you. The architecture of failure. Look at the modern human. We spend 8 to 12 hours a day in a seated position. We are biologically designed to hunt, to run, to stand tall. Yet we have evolved into a species of the chair. This sedentary lifestyle creates a chain reaction of failure that surgeons call low-crossed syndrome. It starts at the hips. The hip flexors tighten, pulling the pelvis forward like a lever. This is called anterior pelvic tilt. It forces your belly out and curves your lower spine into a deep, unhealthy arch. Then the compensation travels upward. The chest collapses to protect the heart. The shoulders roll forward to manipulate smartphones and keyboards. The head juts out like a turtle leaving its shell. This is the folded ruler effect. Your spine is still the same length, but it is zigzagging through space instead of shooting straight up. You are not short, you are simply compressed. To fix this, we don't need magic pills or expensive surgeries. We need mechanical realignment. We need the 5 protocols of decompression. Protocol 1. The thoracic unfolding. The first step is to open the thoracic cage. We call this the wall angel. Do not let the gentle name fool you. If your posture is corrupted, this movement will be humbling and painful. The setup is critical, and this is where 90% of people fail. Stand against a wall. Your heels, your glutes, your upper back, and the back of your head must make contact. Now, the difficult part is to eliminate the gap behind your lower back. Place your hand behind your spine. If you can fit it there, you are doing it wrong. Brace your core and smash your lower back into the wall until your spine is flush against the concrete. Raise your arms, elbows at 90 degrees, back of the hands touching the wall. Slide them up. As you reach overhead, your body will fight you. Your ribs will want to flare out. Your back will want to arch to cheat the movement. Do not let it. Fight for every millimeter of range. This is not an arm exercise. It is a spinal realignment tool. Perform 10 slow, agonizing repetitions. We are teaching your body what straight actually feels like, reprogramming the nervous system to hold this position when you step away from the wall. Protocol 2. The pelvic reset. Now we move down to the foundation, the hips. Remember the anterior pelvic tilt, the Donald Duck posture? This exists because your glutes are asleep. We need to wake them up with the glute bridge. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Drive through your heels and thrust your hips toward the ceiling. But here is the secret that most people miss. At the top, do not just hang there loosely. Squeeze your glutes as if you are trying to crack a walnut between your cheeks. Create a perfectly straight line from your knees to your shoulders. If you feel this in your lower back, you are doing it wrong. You are arching, not extending. Focus the tension entirely on the hips. This contraction pulls the pelvis back into a neutral position. It forcefully lengthens the tight hip flexors in the front and strengthens the posterior chain in the back. Do 10 to 15 reps with a hard 2-second squeeze at the top. We are rebuilding the foundation of your skyscraper so it stands vertical, not leaning like the Tower of Pisa. Protocol 3. The spinal yawn. We have aligned the hips and the shoulders. Now, we must decompress the vertebrae themselves. We use a movement stolen from yoga, but applied with orthopedic intent, the cobra stretch. Gravity spends all day pushing you down. This exercise pushes back. Lie face down, hands under your shoulders. Slowly, deliberately, press your torso up. Keep your hips glued to the floor. Imagine your spine is a string of pearls, and you are creating space between each pearl. Look up slightly. Take a deep breath. This is crucial. When you breathe in this position, you are forcing the ribcage to expand and the spine to elongate against the resistance of your own tissue. You are reversing the slouch of modern life. Most people rush this, bouncing up and down. Do not bounce. Move like a machine. Smooth, controlled. Hold for 2 seconds at the peak, then lower. 8 to 10 reps. Think of this as a deep yawn for your nervous system, signaling your body that it is safe to be tall again. Protocol 4. The gravity reversal. Did you know astronauts return from space up to 2 inches taller? Why? Because without the constant pressure of gravity, the spine expands to its true length. We cannot go to space, but we can simulate the effect here on Earth. Enter the dead hang. This is the most underrated height hack in existence. Find a bar, grab it, and simply let go. Do not pull up. Do not tense your shoulders. Just hang. Visualize your legs are heavy iron weights, dragging your lower body down into the earth. Here is the science behind the magic. Your spinal discs are filled with fluid. During the day, gravity squeezes this fluid out, making you shorter by evening. Hanging creates a vacuum effect, a negative pressure system within the spine. It sucks fluid back into the discs like a sponge soaking up water. It rehydrates your height. Aim for 30 seconds. If your grip fails, use straps. The goal is decompression, not forearm training. Breathe deeply into your belly while hanging to further relax the spinal erectors and maximize the stretch. Protocol 5. The fluid awakening. Observation is the key to mastery. Look at a cat. They possess 53 vertebrae. We have 33, yet they are infinitely more agile. Why? Because they stretch constantly. We will mimic this with the cat-cow. Get on all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. First, the cat. Exhale all your air, tuck your chin, and push your spine to the ceiling. Round it as much as possible. Separate the shoulder blades and imagine pushing the floor away. Then, the cow. Inhale deeply. Drop your belly to the floor. Lift your head and arch your back. This rhythmic motion acts as a pump. It pumps synovial fluid through the spinal column. It lubricates the stiff joints that have been locked in a chair all day. It prevents the spine from becoming a rigid, calcified stick. 15 smooth repetitions. Do not rush. Close your eyes and feel every single vertebrae move independently. You are oiling the machine. The morning ritual. Knowledge without execution is merely entertainment. You now have the tools, but you need a blueprint. You do not need a gym membership for this. You need 15 minutes and a patch of floor. Here is your daily prescription. Start with wall angels for 3 sets of 10 to fight the pain. Next, move to glute bridges for 3 sets of 15 to fix the hips. Then perform the cobra stretch for 3 sets of 10 to open the spine. Follow that with dead hangs for 3 sets of 30 seconds to rehydrate the discs. Finally, Finish with the cat-cow for 3 sets of 15 to lubricate the joints. The timing is non-negotiable. The best time is the morning. Your spine is naturally decompressed from sleeping. This routine locks that height in before gravity has a chance to steal it. The permanent shift. These exercises are powerful, but they cannot undo 16 hours of self-sabotage. You must become conscious of your architecture. When you sit, engage your core. When you walk, imagine a string pulling the top of your head to the sky. Height is not just a measurement, it is a signal. It signals health. It signals dominance. It signals confidence. When you reclaim those lost 2 inches, you are not just taking up more space in the room, you are taking up more space in the world. But there is one final piece of the puzzle that almost everyone ignores. It happens when you close your eyes. The sleeping architecture. You spend 1/3 of your life in bed. If your sleeping position is wrong, you are shrinking yourself for 8 hours every night. Sleeping curled up in a fetal position reinforces the bad posture we are trying to fix. It rounds the spine and tightens the hips. To maximize your height, you must learn to sleep like a soldier. Try sleeping on your back with no pillow or a very thin pillow. This allows the neck to align perfectly with the spine. If you sleep on your side, place a pillow between your knees to keep the hips neutral. This prevents the spine from twisting during the night. Remember, sleep is when the rehydration of the discs happens. If you are twisted, the fluid cannot return. Align your body at night and you will wake up taller in the morning. The medical books say you stopped growing at 18. They are technically right about the bone, but they are wrong about the body. You have been living in a compressed state, a folded version of your true self. Unfold the ruler. Reclaim your gravity. Stand tall, because the only thing worse than being short is being shorter than you were meant to be. Unlock your potential.